let me start the today's topic. So today, we are going to discuss multiple minor topics. So the first thing is we are going to discuss about the package. Like in our project, we have created multiple package. So package in the sense from the day one of the class, we are creating the package. So you could see we are creating the package called as a feature file and the test runner file and the step definition file. So what is mean by package? So the package is nothing but, so it is a collection of, either it may have the classes, okay, or it may have the interface, or it may have other files. So if you see, this particular package contains classes. So inside the package we have added the multiple class files, and inside this package it is having other files, so which is nothing but the feature file, or inside some package the configuration we have added the other file called as an property file. So package is nothing but, so it is just a collection of classes or the interface or the other files. So generally there are two type of package. So one we call it as an user defined package, and other we call it as an predefined package. So or this predefined package are also called as a built-in packages. So generally, like we need to check whether the package is user defined or it is a predefined. So whenever we create something, we call it as an user defined. So this configuration is user defined, the Java basics is user defined, so the test runner is a user defined. And even so we will be having the predefined packages. So how you will identify whether it is a predefined packages or not in the sense. So generally with the help of the import statement. So basically whenever we are using the keywords of Java or the keywords of Selenium, so sometimes we may face some error. So if you hover the mouse over it, it will ask us to import something. So let me just open the import statement. So if you just look on the import statement, from the import statement, so we will get to know so which package it is referring to. So you could see it says io.cucumber. So generally the io.cucumber indicates it's a Cucumber package. So whereas that arg.openq.selenium indicates it's a Selenium package. So whenever we are adding the dependency over the pom.xml, so you could see something called as a group ID. So we are having that arg.selenium, so which means whatever the Selenium jar files which will be falls under the group called as an org.selenium Selenium. So org.selenium hq.selenium, and if it is of an Cucumber, it will falls under the group called as an io.cucumber. Okay, so which means we can call this group ID as a package. So inside this package all relevant jar files will be present, and we are importing the file from the respective packages. So whenever the import statement is added, so we call this as a built-in package or predefined package. So if it is of an built-in or predefined package, the syntax will be we will be having the import statement, import keyword followed by the package name and the class name. So you could see, as I told, so this io.cucumber.java, it is going to be the package name, and this given as a class name. So this is a package name, this is a class name. So generally we are utilizing the packages of the Selenium and the Java. So even if you open the runner file, so if I look over the import statement, we are having the different packages like io.cucumber.junit, arg.junit.runner, which means this at run with is imported from the package called as an JUnit. Okay, so we are importing from the package. So whenever we import something from the jar, so we call it as an predefined package or built-in package. So the user defined package in the sense we may import one class. So we may import one class from one package to the other package. So let's say, so we are having the class A and we are planning to use this class A in some class called as a class B, and the class A is present in different package. So let it say, so it is present in the package 1 and the class B is present in a package 2. So here, like what we are going to do, we are going to import the class from different package. So whenever we are importing the class of the different package, so the user defined package will be added up. So like if you look on the import statement, so let me open this step definition file. Okay, so if I expand this, like you could see the import statement io.cucumber.java. So we can say these are like built-in packages. So here in the line number 8, you could see there is a statement called as an reusable dot base code. So like what is mean by reusable dot base code? So which is nothing but as per syntax as I told. So this is the common syntax for the user defined package as well as the predefined package. Initially it will add the import keyword followed by the package name and the class name. So what is the package we are importing? So we are inherited the base code. So the base code is present inside the package called as an reusable. So it will add the package followed by what is the class we are accessing. So we are accessing the base code. So which means here we are created the user defined package or we have imported the user defined package. In similar way, like if I look on the hooks file, even in the hooks, like we have done the inheritance. So which means for sure the user defined packages will be added up. So generally, yeah, inside the class file, so if you look on the import statement, so we may have either the predefined package or user defined package. So the user defined package is created by us, so the reusable is created by us, whereas this io.cucumber org.openqa.selenium or the junit, so everything is not created by us. So those are offerings provided by the respective jar files, or we can say whenever we add the dependency, so the respective packages are added up and we are utilizing the predefined package, which is nothing but the built-in packages, and we are doing the automation. Okay, so whenever we are doing the coding, so always have the habit of looking over the import statement and just conclude whether it is a predefined package or the user defined package. Okay, and also like today, like I received one query like stating that so someone has faced the issue in the browser invocation. So what happened in the sense, so like generally we are using the annotation, so which are related to the cucumber. So whenever you are adding the import statement, so have the habit where it is imported from. So like check whether it is imported from the cucumber or the selenium. So this at before annotation and the at after annotation should be imported from the like io.cucumber. If I hover the mouse over it, it says the import statement io.cucumber. So which is nothing but is imported from the package called as an cucumber. So one and only if it is imported from the cucumber packages, the at before annotation and the at after annotation or whatever the annotation we are using it will work. So if the import statement is different, so for example, instead of this io.cucumber.java, it says like if it is of an JUnit Java, so just like add the appropriate import statement. So because like whenever we are typing something, so even like we have handled the dynamic drop down, right? So let me just open the dynamic drop down. So how we have handled the dynamic drop down with the sorry, how we handle the static drop down with the help of the select class. So let me see where we have created that select class. And if you have look on the input statement, it says org.openq.selenium.support UI. It is importing from the like which package? Selenium package. So I'm just removing the import statement. So now if I hover over the mouse, so it will ask for the import statement. So whenever we say import class, so we may have a multiple import statement. So I think it's displaying only one import. So in few cases it will list the multiple import statement. So we need to select the correct import statement. Okay, so one and only if we select the correct import statement, so the automation code will work. So moving forward, like have the habit of looking on the packages as well. So just check whether it is of an user defined package or predefined package, and if it is of a predefined package, so make sure like are we importing the correct packages. Okay, so till this point, does anyone have any doubt?